Hello, this is Anti7Hacker, just call me Anti for now. I'll be showing you guys some CMD commands and their hacker wows, some codes for Notepad, and then, yeah, and some trolling viruses that you can do at your school, which I do a lot. So basically, for CMD, we're going to start with CMD first. Type in CMD on your search bar, or you hit for other users, like really old users, you would go to run and type that in. So this is an optional command. Color A, hacking colors, black background, and green words or letters, whatever. So you want to do net view, which that'll display all the computers and PCs and Macs on your network. Then you would do shut down. Oh, there. Waffenkulo. Shut down -I, which that will pull up a browser or a window, whatever, that will come up with like add a computer, which I'll do dwd-pc, so that's his network or his computer, and you can type that in. And also you can type in multiple computers to shut down multiple, which is kind of like a Trojan horse, kind of, almost like, kind of, a little bit. So you say you're gonna say DWD-PC is a teacher's computer. You're gonna say fuck you, bitch. Oops. Whatever, bitch. You do not want to do that. You want to type in a code or what program or whatever you can call it, that will test. It'll say a message to you, because basically what it will be doing is it will be saying on the title of the program or the message, it'll be saying from ID 137762. Say that, and that, let's say that was your ID. If they are looking close enough, they can look that up on their grade book, let's say, and they could find you, and you'll get in a lot of trouble. So I would recommend testing that message thing, looking that up, and finding that if it'll on your school computer, saying if it will message you, and if this works on some computers, some networks, school networks, but most likely it will. Sometimes it won't. Depends on your network. And basically, if you don't want that to happen, and you're wanting to shut down your teacher's computer, don't know the hell why, you would do Operation System Recovery or whatever these are. You can display, let's say, 5 seconds. You can do warn the user of the action. If you don't want to warn them, just hit that. You want to shut down the computer, shut it down. Then you would hit OK. And it has to be on your network. To school, there's tons of computers on that shit. You can just shut down their shit. Computer, just go. Oh yeah, if you want to view their computers, just hit net stat or whatever. Oops, net stat, which will be all their addresses and computers that are on there. And they can type in their IDs or computer names, and it'll shut them down. So yeah, that's that. Now to get to the, what's it called? Yeah, the codes. So let's open up this. And I am not responsible for your actions. If I said that once, this is educational purposes only. If I said that again, I'm sorry. Whatever. So basically, this is a trolling virus I used to call them. Not really a virus, it's kind of a spam. So at echo off A, then start, then go to dot. Basically, that will open up a bunch of command prompts, and it'll at least open up 227 command prompts every, it'll open up in like 20 seconds at least. So, right here, this is kind of my very deadly virus programs, the very deadly viruses. I have a worm folder. This is not sure if this is a worm, I kind of made it. Does all this shit. Does attribute r -r -s -h and to the wind does file, which is very fucked up. This is more of a virus. I'm saying that most of those worms are viruses. So basically, this is a good one, good trolling one. You can basically do this. At echo off ipconfig /release, which that will release the Wi-Fi, which you won't be able to connect to them. That's a good trolling one if they're looking up some shit. To get that back, you would say, do this one. Hang on. See if it's Spotify. You would do ipconfig at echo off ipconfig renew, which shall renew your Wi-Fi. So yeah. Then let's see what this one is. This one you do System32 you can delete. I mean, it's okay. This, yeah, I don't know what. I know what System32 is. It's pretty good. Well, not really. It slows down your computer. This one is deleting auto XCC and deleting wind. Fucked up. This one's deleting the G, the E, the F, the G, the H, the I, and the J drive. So that's a deadly one too. For schools, at least, if you want to delete, if you want to put in the C drive, you can. That'll really fuck up their computer or yours. So yeah, those are some simple trolling viruses. So yeah, I gotta show you another trolling virus. I do. It's oh what the not that again. Do not get that. I have that on my computer. So this is at echo off. Start all these web browsers. Ping localhost is the one you do it to or you. And -m is the milliseconds or the seconds, I think, that it'll open up, and 2 is the seconds or the milliseconds. Then null is the repeating of it. So I'll be doing this, and I'll be repeating this area. So yeah, it's kind of going like at echo off that, reading this, pinging it, going back to A, and kind of going in that formation. So basically it's going to here, to here, to here, then going to here, then repeating it to go to here. It's basically repeating itself. So that's it all. That's all I have for today. In my next video, I'll be doing some SQL injections, which you can get a lot of information from that. I already found a couple websites that I know of doing SQL injections. So this is for educational purposes only. I'm not responsible for any of your actions. And here's, oh yeah, some programs that you can get to learn: Nmaps, Wireshark. Wireshark I don't really use. And I think there's another. Do not get Cannonable. That has so many fucking viruses on it. It crashed my computer last time. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace off.